Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the hemophilia. Hemophilia is generally disease which is the X-linked recessive. Hemophilia A is caused by the FVV 80 to 85% and the hemophilia B mutation of the clotting factor genes. Generally, affected males on the maternal side, one upon three no family history due to the new mutations. There are some kinds of hemophilia, which is hemophilia A, which is the inheritance of the X-linked recessive. Hemophilia B is caused by X-linked recessive, and hemophilia C is the autosomal recessive, and the parahemophilia is the autosomal recessive. Some hemophilia is defined by the measured level of the clotting factor activity. Clotting factor activity is defined as the activity present in the 1 ml of fresh plasma for the normal donors. Some kind of several hemophilia, moderate hemophilia, and the mild hemophilia. Clinical magnification is the bleeding can happen anywhere in the body following and the injury, surgery, or a rarely spontaneous uh, mucosskeletal bleeding, uh, deep bleeding into the joints, muscles, being when child reaches toddler ages. In the toddler, ankles, the most common sites. Later, knees and the elbow become common sites for the bleeding. Hemophilia arthropathy target joints, repeated bleeding, swelling in a pain, heat, and the other magnification in the intra-axial hemorrhage and the traumatic bleeding. Carrying state of the genetic test is based on the three approaches, which is the patent and the family history, and the based on the coagulation based SI and inedible, and the DNA testing gold standard. Hemophilia is the issues considered for the lifestyle modification available for the therapeutic option inhibitor, complicating hemophilia, prolytic factor therapy, and the transfusion of the transmitting infections. Hemophilia is the hemophilia should be required to the lifestyle modification like goals for the prevention for the bleeding, avoid drug take that affect to the platelets functions, and the regular exercise to promote strong muscles, protect joints, and the improve fitness. Avoid contact sports, swimming and the cycling encourages. Recognize the early sign of the bleeding and the tingling sensation on the train to seek treatment and the stages. Caring and the available pharmacological agents for the hemophilia, which is factor concentration, cryoprecipitated, and the fresh frozen plasma, cryopool plasma. Hemophilia management for the factor concentrated, which is factor 8 and the factor 9, and in a factor 8 half life approximate 8 to 12 hour. Each factor 8 unit per kg will be raised up to plasma factor 8 level approximately 2%, and dose of the factor 8 desired percent rise up to x body weight into 0.5, and the factor 9 is about 8 to 24 hour, and this factor unit per kg will be raised up to plasma level of the approximate 0.7 to 1%. So this is all about the hemophilia. Thank you.